This is the, yesterday was day 3. I was at work, so I missed it all. But they got some of the hardy plank already up on that side there. You can see you had the corner board done up to where that line is at. I'm going to try to remove that line. They started the hardy plank around the back. They got all the rest of it torn off going this way. Let's see. They got everything torn off the other side over here. Come around here, let you see. All right, so they got that side done. I won't say done there, but I will say I don't have any internet access now. Evidently, all this they've had to do something has knocked my internet out. So I'm gonna need to call them. They got the lines kind of just hanging here. Let me go underneath here. But this is the hedge I was cutting the other day. It was huge, so that they can get up to the front of the house to do the siding there. And I didn't cut it down low enough, I thought, but I guess they managed to get back there. So they still got to go up there and do that. Some more and finish up. Hopefully, well, they might finish tomorrow. So we'll be back later. Today is the beginning of day 5. It's Saturday. Yesterday was day 3, 4. They finished most of it on the back side. Still working on the side here in the front. And of course, I still don't have any internet access with the cable box being messed with over there. Let's go around here to the back. You can see where they finished. They got the corner up over here. And they got the back finished for the most part. Looks pretty good. Let's get back up here around their work side here. See how that looks. I think it looks pretty nice. Actually, I think it looks real nice. It'll look better once they get it painted. There's a nice view of the back side going up. So they're doing pretty good. They're making good time. Yesterday, like I said, yesterday was day 4. Yeah, day 4. Today's gonna be day 5. I don't know if they'll be out today. It's supposed to rain a good bit of the day here. But we'll see. It rained yesterday and they came out, so that's about where they're at so far. Not much longer, or much more to go, I should say. So that being said, let's get out of here and go to work. See you next time.